welcome everyone to our first live session. Today we're going to do a New York session. We're going to take our trades in the New York session. So now we are done with the London session. So we are currently waiting for our trade or our setup to play out in the New York session. Yeah. So I had said earlier that we have a 1 hour bullish leg which had a fair value gap on the 1 hour chart. We had an open FVG in the morning. This was a 1 hour FVG in the morning where we took our trade from in the morning. So let me take you through so that you can see my thought process when I was taking that trade. So let's go down to the 5 minutes chart. In the 5 minutes chart, as you can remember, I told you that the 1 hour, we had a 1 hour, let me note it down for you, 1 hour fair value gap here. And we had our Asian session. Remember, we are trading Asian range or Asian session range liquidity sweep. Alright, now when the Asian range closed, we were waiting for the London session to take out the Asian session high and give us a trade to the downside. But as we know, the Asian session, according to me, starts at 8 p.m. here and closes at midnight, 12 a.m. 00 hours. And my London session starts at 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. But between the Asian session close and the London session open, there is a gap of 2 hours. This gap already took out the what? Took out the Asian session high. So, because of that, I was waiting for the London session, and remember, on top of the Asian session, we have our 1 hour fair value gap. I hope you're getting me well. When I came to the chart, I saw in the morning we had a 1 hour FVG that was open, so that could attract the prices to it. Then I went to the lower time frame, where we, and this is where we take our trades. That is the 5-minute chart. In the 5-minute chart, I saw that once the Asian session was closed, between the break, which we call the lunch break, breakfast break, whichever, Asian session high had been taken out prior to the London session. But we had not mitigated the 1 hour fair value gap above the Asian session. So I waited for the Asian session to begin, whereby we saw a very strong move. You see, a very strong move to where? To the 1 hour FVG above us. So for me to get an entry in the London session, what am I supposed to do? Or what did I do? I waited. As you can see, I waited for the market to create a change of character, giving me an idea that the market is now ready to do what? The market is ready to drop. So this is how the market played out. You see? So in the 1 hour fair value gap that was formed, that is where I'll take my trade from after it has been mitigated. Now we saw a very strong push up, then the market came down. It did not break this low. It moved again up, it came down, it didn't break this low. But now when it moved up again, it was unable to break these highs. It was unable to break these highs. Let me circle them for you. These highs. And it created a change of character. You can see here, this was the lowest point before. Let me remove this so that you can see well. It is a change of character, and this change of character left a what? An FVG, a small FVG there, a 5-minute FVG. So immediately I saw a candle close before this low. When this candle closed, I now set my limit order. Remember, we have a fair value gap, so you can use the fair value gap. Where do you place your stop loss? Here. And then you target. Personally, I do 1:2. As simple as that. Boom. This was our morning trade in the London session. Remember, this is the London session. So now our market is we're just waiting for our markets to play out well. Yeah, this is the London session trade that we took before. So now we are waiting to see if the market will come down to the 1 hour FVG, give us some change of character, retest and move. This is what we are waiting for. Remember, this we are trading, or trading is more of probability, but factual. You must have facts to defend your what? To defend your argument. So this is my argument, that we will come to the FVG, fair value gap, or we can come, sweep out the Asian lows or this low, but for the time being first we'll observe what happens on the with the FVG. Will our fair value gap hold, or will it be traded through? So that is what we are waiting for. Yeah, so let's just wait for the markets, for the New York